Welcome to Class 8, Mathematics Chapter Power Play. Today we will discover something amazing, that every expression like 8 to the 6 can actually be rewritten as a power of a power, and in more than one way. 8 to the 6, 7 to the 15, 9 to the 14 and 5 to the 8. We break down questions step by step to help you understand better. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Let us warm up with something familiar. Take 4 to the 6. Watch what happens when we write it as 4 squared cubed. That means 4 squared times 4 squared times 4 squared times 4 squared. By the product rule, the exponents add up. 2 plus 2 plus 2. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same as 2 times 3, which is 6. So 4 squared cubed equals 4 to the 6. We could also group it as 4 cubed squared. 4 cubed times 4 cubed. 3 plus 3 equals 3 times 2, which is again 6. So 4 cubed squared also equals 4 to the 6. Two different ways to write the same thing. Here is the key rule that makes it all work. N to the a raised to the b equals n to the a times b. This is the power of a power rule. Here is the beautiful insight. Look at the exponent in the result. It is a product a times b. So if I want to rewrite n to the k as a power of a power, I just ask, what are the factor pairs of k? Each factor pair gives me a different way. Take the number 6. 6 is 2 times 3 and also 3 times 2. So n to the 6 can be n squared cubed or n cubed squared. Two different ways from two factor pairs. Alright, let us tackle part 1. 8 to the 6. The exponent is 6. Step 1. Find the factor pairs of 6. What two counting numbers multiply to give 6? 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. Step 2. Plug each factor pair into our rule. If 6 equals 2 times 3, then 8 to the 6 becomes 8 squared cubed. And if 6 equals 3 times 2, we get 8 cubed squared. Two different ways. Done. Next up, part 2. 7 to the 15. Same strategy. The exponent is 15. What pairs of counting numbers multiply to 15? 3 times 5 and 5 times 3. So 7 to the 15 equals 7 cubed to the 5 and also 7 to the 5 cubed. You are seeing the pattern, right? The exponent is the key. Crack it into factors and each factor pair unlocks a new way. Now part 3. 9 to the 14. The exponent is 14. Factor pairs of 14. 2 times 7 and 7 times 2. So 9 to the 14 is 9 squared to the 7 or 9 to the 7 squared. By now you probably do not even need me to say it. The method is the same every time. Last one, part 4, 5 to the 8. The exponent is 8. Factor pairs of 8. 2 times 4 and 4 times 2. There is also 1 times 8, but that gives 5 to the 1 to the 8, which is just 5 to the 8 again. Not very interesting. The interesting answers use the non-trivial pairs. So 5 to the 8 equals 5 squared to the 4 and 5 to the 4 squared. Two beautiful ways to rewrite it. Let us lock in the method. Step 1. Grab the exponent. Step 2. Crack it into factor pairs. Step 3. Each factor pair becomes a power of a power. The rule that makes it all work. N to the a raised to the b equals n to the a times b equals n to the a times b. And here are all 4 answers neat and clean. Master this and you can unwrap any power in multiple ways. Every exponent is secretly a product in disguise, and now you know how to reveal it. That is the power of understanding what is underneath the notation. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next question.